Hey, what's going on, guys? Boosted Whips here. Today we're going to be installing the center console brushed aluminum plates. So these are also launched on my website. If you guys already saw my other video for the rear cup holder, same thing here in the front. So you have the same adhesive, double-sided adhesive, kind of like a gel type, and that's to just kind of goes in there and in there. So this one here says Genesis in the end, and around the area on this circle on the back end shows visual harmony that's beyond breathtaking. So this slogan here is actually from Genesis. So we went ahead and we took it off of one of their websites on their marketing campaigns. So we ended up putting it on here to just kind of visualize the beautiful interior of Genesis overall, right? So so this one's with the Genesis, and the one on the front has the G70 with the signature boring to move logo, which again matches the seat plates and now the rear cup holder. Additionally, this kit comes for the wireless charger. So let me turn this around. Same thing with the signature boring to move G70, precise cut brushed aluminum, just like the rest of the kit. What I plan on doing is I remove the actual mat, so it's easier to kind of align everything. So you want to align it to that little slat there, and then just kind of press on it on a flat surface. So I'll be using the armrest there for that one, and then just the cup holder. Pretty straightforward. Remove the back white strip there. Again, you want to go ahead and clean the area nicely. I did it with alcohol. Spray out any dust or grime that you might have in there. Go ahead and clean all that out. Remove the backing and just go ahead and put it. So again, I went ahead and I removed that out. We'll go ahead and put this in here. Again, you want to go ahead and center it to the center circle that you have on there. This one pretty much aligns right away, and you want to make sure that it's nice and centered, right? So we'll do the rear now. So we do the same thing on the rear. We went ahead and removed the back. We'll go ahead and position this down the middle. This one just lands right over pretty nicely, so you ain't gotta really center like the real cup holder. And there's that. All right, I went ahead and I put the mat back on. Wireless charging works perfectly fine, no interference whatsoever. One thing to note is that it would be actually better to just put this piece with the mat already on. Removing the mat, if you're not patient enough, these back standoffs here are a little bit hard to push back in to the holes that are created there. The ones in the front are very easy because they're a little bit more narrow, so it goes in right away. These require some pressure, so I got it in, but if you're not careful enough, then you might bend the plates trying to put pressure on it or whatnot. So it definitely will be just best to do it here already with the mat on, not like how I showed previously, putting it with the mat off. So there's that. If you guys have any questions, comments, go ahead and drop them below. I'm gonna go ahead and show you here how the cup holders came out. Again, looks really nice, matches with all the other brushed silver that's in the vehicle. Available on our website at boostedwhips.com under the Genesis G70 category. So anyways, guys, if you have any comments, questions, just drop them below, and I'll see you next time. Boosted Whips, I'm out. Have a very pleasant day, and God bless.